Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about letter strength training cost. If you want to take any subscription and you want to know like what is the costing of their premium plan, so you can see these are the premium plans on their platform. Once you log in, you have 7 days free trial period, and you can use the app and you can check if this app is helpful. Then you can pay 29 or $30 per month if you want to take monthly plan. Okay, and after that you can select 14.99 or you can select $15 per month. This is for on annually only. Okay, and if you want to bill monthly, then you need to pay $30 per month. If you want to pay like annually, then you need to pay only like 179 for the year. Okay, so in this plan you will get each and everything, like everything in pro plan monthly. Each and everything will get in this plan. Access all ladder terms and workouts, unlimited team changes per month, unlimited save and reply workouts. So you can see there are lots of benefits. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon. These are the plans and costings of ladder strength. Okay, so thanks for watching this video and bye bye.